Stop scrolling, start cooking. Here's how you can whip up 5 vegan delights faster than you can say plant-based yum. First up, the classic vegan avocado toast. Just mash up an avocado, spread it on your favorite toasted bread, and sprinkle with a little salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. Top it off with cherry tomatoes and a drizzle of olive oil. Simple, right? Next, the refreshing chickpea salad. Combine canned chickpeas, diced cucumber, tomato, red onion, and a bunch of parsley. Dress it up with olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, and a pinch of salt and pepper. It's a crunchy bite of freshness. Moving on to the sweet potato Buddha bowl. Roast your sweet potato cubes until they're soft and inviting. Lay them over quinoa with sautéed kale and avocado slices. Drizzle with tahini dressing for that creamy finish. Craving pasta? Try the vegan pasta primavera. Just sauté bell peppers, zucchini, cherry tomatoes, and mushrooms. Toss them with cooked pasta and a dreamy cashew sauce. It's creamy without the cream. And for dessert, banana nice cream. Blend up frozen bananas with a splash of almond milk until they're oh so creamy. Mix in cocoa powder or peanut butter if you're feeling adventurous. Top with nuts or fresh berries. Who knew healthy could taste so heavenly? There you have it, folks. 5 vegan recipes, each under 5 minutes. Fast, flavorful, and totally plant-based.